Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the neon spirit eyes effect on your photos using AI tools Nano Banana. This effect will give your eyes a bright turquoise glow. So let's jump right in. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then next, make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And once you're inside, you will be on the home page like this. And then just simply tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana. Or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This feature will let you transform images instantly just by using a simple prompt. Next, let's upload the photo that you want to edit. Make sure your face and eyes are clearly visible so the glow effect will work perfectly. Just tap on plus button to upload the photo. For example, this one, and then next let's time to write the prompt. In here, you're going to write your command to transform the image. And in here, before I have already prepared a prompt like this. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it and then using Google Lens, just copy it and then paste it to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to change or if you want to customize the prompt as you like maybe change the color eyes or change the vibes. Just feel free to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt. And then after that, I will go back to Gemini, paste the prompt, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, just like this. I think the result is super insanely cool. The glow looks natural but still powerful. And then next, if you unsatisfied with the result, you can tweak the prompt as you like until you find the perfect result. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super easy, super fast, and all done with Nano Banana. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!